Hey there, a box break here of 0708 ITG O'Canada. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we can get out of here. 24 packs to the box here, and I believe it is one auto, one game used per box. So seen a couple cards here and there of this, but never actually opened any packs, so I'm interested here to see what I can get in this. Formidable Foes of Vladislav Tretiak, great Russian goaltender there. And nothing too special in that pack. So it looks like this has a lot of players from Canada's, men's national teams, the junior teams, so their women's teams, and also some of their international opponents from various tournaments over the years. Here we go. This is one I like, being a Lightning fan here. I got Steven Stamkos. He's got a pretty nice season going for himself. I believe he just hit his 29th goal the other night, and see if he can maybe get number 30 tonight against Atlanta. And insert O'Canada duels, 2 goalies, Carey Price and Leland Irving. And another Lightning card in here of Vinny LeCavalier. So, next pack we got. Still looking for one auto, one game used in here. Nothing going on there yet. Another Formidable Foes. These are interesting looking cards showing their different opponents, international opponents they've had. This one from Finland, of Jari Kurri. Oh, here's a nice duel of Angelo Esposito and Steven Stamkos. Nice looking card there. Alright, we're a third of the way through the box. Neither of the big hits there yet, though. Nice Luke Shen. Oh, and here's our first auto of Daniel Bertram, which I know I've heard the name. I'm not quite sure exactly where he is or anything yet, so hopefully that'll turn out to be a decent card. Oh, and Drew Doughty in there also. But our first auto, only auto in this box, Daniel Bertram. Kind of an airy pack here. Right here we got Luc Bourdon, who tragically passed away in a motorcycle accident. I believe it was a year or so ago. And then also in that same pack, Alexei Cherepanov, who passed away playing over in the KHL. So it's kind of a scary pack right there. U.S. Formidable Foes of Mike Modano. And Formidable Foes, Bill Guerin. A couple nice USA cards there. I'm just really looking forward to watching them in the Olympics here. I think they might be able to surprise some people and hopefully at least get a medal. Would be pretty nice. Still got our one game used card left to find in here. There's another Formidable Foes of Chris Chelios, one of my all-time favorite players, and also a base there of Jonathan Toews. Another base of Angelo Esposito. Be interesting to see if he can recover from his injury problems and have a decent NHL career, hopefully. Now onto the last third of this box. We're looking for that one game used card. Just a few more packs left here. Well, it looks like we got the game used in this one. Oh, maybe not. That was just the decoy. Oh, still just a bunch of base cards there. And here's another interesting duels card of Steve Downey and Jonathan Toews. And our game used. Wow, this is definitely a nice card. I'm happy to get this. Game used jersey of Vladislav Tretiak. Wow, that is definitely a very nice card. I'm happy to get that one. One of the all-time great goalies. Well, we got 3 packs left here. These should all just be base. But let's open them up, see if we can get anything else interesting in here. Nothing that one. Did a Carey Price base on that. And the last pack of this box. Formidable Foes, Alexander Ovechkin, And that would be it for this box. So this review, we had the 2 hits in here. The autograph card was Daniel Bertram. And the big hit in here, the game used jersey card of Russian goalie Vladislav Tretiak. So that was all in this box. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.